In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in FlutterFlow. We'll walk through a simple setup that lets a user pick an image and immediately preview it inside your app. This is a great approach when you want to show the selected image first before deciding whether to send it to a backend later. To begin, open FlutterFlow and load the project where you want to add image uploading. Once you're inside the page, you want to edit, drag an image widget onto the canvas. You'll also need a button, or if you prefer a more custom interface, you can use a container with an upload icon. The main idea is that you need one element to display the image and another element to trigger the upload action. Next, select the image widget and set its path to use widget state, then choose uploaded local file. This tells FlutterFlow to display the file the user has selected during runtime. In other words, the image widget will be connected directly to the uploaded local media instead of a fixed image URL or asset. After that, add a conditional builder so the image only appears when there is an active uploaded local file. If no file has been selected yet, show a default placeholder instead. This is an important part of the experience because it keeps your interface clean and avoids showing an empty or broken image area before the user uploads anything. Now select your button or upload trigger and open the action flow editor. Add a new action and choose Upload Save Media. This is the action FlutterFlow uses to handle media selection from the user's device. In the action settings, set the upload type to local upload using widget state. This means the file will be stored locally in the widget state first, allowing you to preview it right away without needing to upload it to external storage immediately. Then choose the media source. You can allow users to pick from the gallery, use the camera, or support both. Also make sure the allowed media type is set to photos, since this workflow is specifically for image uploads. Choosing the right source depends on your app's use case, so if users may need to take a new picture on the spot, enabling both is often the most flexible option. Finally, if needed, once the media has been uploaded locally, you can push it to your backend. This optional step is useful when you want to permanently store the image in a database or file storage service after the preview has already been shown. And that's how to upload images in FlutterFlow using local widget state for a fast and user-friendly preview experience.